Hi everyone, Deb back again from Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More. I just have a quick update. I decided to go ahead and take this pendant that I showed you in my Passion for Purple official video and show you that I did make a Y necklace with it. It's just a simple, it's a 16-inch extendable to 18 inches. And it's really pretty on. I found some Swarovski 6mm bicones in amethyst. I have 2 left after the earrings and the necklace. And I also found some purple pearls from Prima cousin brand. I don't know. I think I got them from Prima online, but they're cousin brand pearls. Anyway, I just alternated them along with those little saucer beads that I had used in something else, another necklace actually. Used closed ring here, and I wire wrapped right onto that, and also here. And then I had to use open jump rings to hook on some chain, which was also a cousin product. 2 open jump rings at the back to use a lobster claw, which was from BB Craft. This extender chain is not this same chain because this is like I guess it's called a Rollo. I wanted one that was open enough that you could clasp into any link on it. So this is from BB Craft. I have a set of extender chains from them, and then another little cluster here at the end on a little ball head pin of the bicone and the pearls. And I do have 2 left after that. So that's what I made. It looks about like that on. Oh, can't see the whole thing. Let me raise you up just a tad. That's it. And then this would be down your back. And if you don't like that, that can come off because it's hooked onto an open jump ring. And I always make sure the lobster clasp open and close before I put them on a piece. And there it is. It's just a simple necklace, Y necklace. Oh, I put this on artistic anti-tarnish brass wire, artistic wire, 22 gauge. So it would fit through the pearls. I think I could have used 20 with the bicones, but I wasn't too sure on the pearls. And then these, I just did the same. I wire wrapped this little bead dangle right onto the closed jump rings. And then I opened the lever backs to put the closed ring on, and that's how they'll hang. It's hard to show them on here, but they're really dainty and cute. And I don't know why it's so blurry, so I apologize. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted to come on and show that I did sit here and finish this. I just didn't want to leave this as a pendant because then it'd be still sitting around on my desk and waiting for me to do something with it, so I finished it. And that's what I came up with. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.